Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Chromecast with Google TV for streaming, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your Chromecast with Google TV is plugged into your TV. Connect the power adapter to the Chromecast and plug it into a wall outlet. Turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where the Chromecast is connected. You will see the Google logo appear on the screen. Wait for the device to initialize, and then select your preferred language. Next, connect your Chromecast to your Wi-Fi network. Choose the Wi-Fi network from the list displayed on your screen. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Once connected, the device will check for any software updates. Allow the updates to download and install if prompted. After the update process completes, the home screen will appear. Now, you need to link your Google account. Select the option to sign in with your Google account. You can either do this using your remote or through the Google Home app on your smartphone. If using the remote, select Sign In and follow the on-screen instructions. If using the Google Home app, open the app and tap on Add, then Set Up Device. Follow the prompts in the app to link your Google account. After linking, choose the profiles you want to set up for streaming. Customize the apps and services you want to use, such as Netflix or Hulu. Explore the settings to adjust preferences like parental controls and notifications. Once everything is set, you can begin streaming content. Navigate through the interface using your remote to find shows and movies. To return to the home screen at any time, press the Home button on your remote. You are now ready to enjoy streaming on your Chromecast with Google TV. Feel free to explore various features and settings to enhance your viewing experience. Happy streaming! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.